Hi guys, I'm so excited to introduce you to this new feature. It is amazing. It's mind-blowing. Like they told me about it and showed it to me, but when I actually put it to the test, it is amazing. So amazing. The one thing about this though, you do have to have Cricut Access for this extra feature. They didn't take away any features. You can still upload images just like you could before without access. But for the members that do have access, they added a benefit to access, and it is amazing. Uploading an image by clicking a button, and it clears it. Watch this. Okay, here's Design Space. You still go over here to upload just like before. This all looks the same. You just click upload image, and then you put in your image. So this is a picture of my Elon Musk standing by my paper pads, and we got lots of things in the background, lots of color. As you can see, there's lots of color in here. I'm going to hit complex. I'm going to hit continue. Now there's the picture. I don't have to click anywhere on the picture. Look, I'm going to click the button. Okay, now it's going to spin. I tried a simpler picture and it did not spin as long. So maybe the more detailed the picture is, the more it spins. Well, look at that. That wasn't very long. Look how it removed the white between his legs, but not the white in the tuxedo. How does it know? It's amazing. Now, if we wanted to add anything back, you can click the restore and change the size of the brush. And you could say I just wanted this balloon right here. That was a really good guess of where that was. And I can just restore that. If that's something I wanted to do. It's not really something I want. Oh, we got to resize the eraser. Okay, so that used to take forever to do that. But I'm just going to click revert it all back. Notice the white between his legs was removed and not this. We're going to do it again. And I'm not speeding this up or anything. I'm going to let it do the real time so you guys can see. The more detailed the video or the image, maybe the longer it takes. And there it is. Mind-blowing. If you don't have access, you'll still be able to upload an image and see how it works, but the image will have a Cricut logo watermarked across the image. So you can still see it, but to go on any further, you'll have to get access. And here you can see where the cut images are. So it cuts it right here where his arms are. As you can see here. Now, if I wanted it to cut more in that area, I could use the erase tool and zoom in. But I'm going to go down here. And we're going to make this much smaller. Actually, I'm going to use the select. And so it removes more of that if it did not get everything I wanted. Although I wouldn't really care about these areas. But look at that. Okay, now let's make it smaller again. And preview cut. And it got it. It's so amazing. Thank you, Cricut, for this amazing feature. Now we just hit continue, and then we can choose the print and cut or the cut. So if you choose print and cut, you can always change it to cut. And we are going to change this to Elon. I think I need to take a picture of him with his legs in there. We have to choose the print and cut and click upload. And there it is. And then we can bring him into our canvas. So cool. Now we have this here because it is too large. So we need to make it smaller for print and cut. Wow, it's still over 13 inches. There we go. That will work. It's so awesome. I'm so excited. And remember, with Access, you get 10% off everything you buy from Cricut, including machines, everything. And you get over 200,000 images, 600 fonts, and background removal. If you get Premium Access, you get 20% off of materials. Amazing. You also get a chance to buy the mystery box with the cuties with Cricut Access. I'm just so excited of how easy this is. I may be uploading a lot more images now. It's so much fun. Leave a comment below and let me know if it's something you're going to use. Make sure you subscribe and like this video if you like what you see. Thanks guys. I love you and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.